Hey everyone and welcome, I'm Volker and today we are diving into Airflow 3.1 and the upgrade it brings to the UI. Watch until the end because I'll show you how the new plugin system helps you unlock secret levels. The very first thing you will notice in Airflow 3.1 is a fresh look. The UI now uses a modernized color system with better contrast and consistency across light and dark mode, making it more accessible and easier on the eyes. One of the most powerful features of Airflow 3.1 is support for human-in-the-loop workflows. Pending human-in-the-loop actions are now visible right in the DAG's overview, and you can handle them directly in the UI. The feature is well integrated, and to explore the full human-in-the-loop experience, check out our dedicated video. As a native German speaker, I love that Airflow now comes with multi-language support. I can just switch the language right here in the user menu and say, alles läuft nach Plan. Let's be honest, we all have our favorite DAGs, the ones we check every single day. You can now mark them as favorite, just click the star icon here in the DAG's overview page. Alternatively, you can also do it from the individual DAG view. Once a DAG is marked as a favorite, it appears right on your homepage. For your favorite DAGs, it shows the run status and duration of past runs, all visualized by these handy bars. Now let's look at some other changes, big and small, in the UI. Speaking about operational DAG management, you can now delete DAG runs. And in the same fashion, you can also delete entire DAGs. Airflow pools and their utilization are now visible on the home dashboard for a quick overview. Also, some old friends are back in town. If you select an individual DAG run, the Gantt chart is back to get a quick overview of which tasks take how much time in your pipelines. If you navigate back to the individual DAG view and then select Calendar, you are presented with an overview of total runs or failed runs in a calendar grid view per hour or day. Looking through logs can feel like a treasure hunt. With the new features you can access from this log settings button, you can now hide timestamps and source information for a more compact log view. Also, the new version allows to have nested groups in the logs. The new log settings button allows to expand or collapse all of them. Finally, a small but appreciated new feature, in the details tab of the individual DAG view, you can now see the last parse duration. As promised, let us unlock a secret level right inside Airflow. Let's open this very important DAG and check out the plugin I prepared. Yes, the new Airflow React plugin system can run Doom. And if you want to learn more about plugins, have a look at our dedicated video about this topic. And that's a quick tour of the new Airflow 3.1 UI features. I have to get back to work on my very important DAG.